Fix Instagram Insights not showing. So in order to see Instagram Insight, you need to have a professional account on Instagram. So open your Instagram first. Now go to your profile and have it to your settings. Now in settings, as you can see, if you have a professional account, there will be a for professional section and where you have account type and tool option. Tap on account type and tools. Now tap on account type. It will show you have a professional account. If you want to switch, you can always switch from here to personal and or to business account. So try this and see if the insights is showing or not. Insights will be available over here, your core tools insights. Here you will find all the views, interaction, everything reach over here. Now if this doesn't work, then what you can do is hold on to the app for some time, tap on app info. Now go to your storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, tap on delete to confirm your decision. After that, close the app and head over to your Play Store. Now go to the search bar and type in Instagram. Hit search. Now tap on Instagram app and see if any update is available. If it shows open, means that is you already have up-to-date version, else there will be an update icon instead of open. Make sure to tap on that and this should fix your problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this useful, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel.